Our solar system, presented by Miss Kavanaugh. The sun is the center of our solar system. It is our star. It is made of very hot gases. The first planet in our solar system is Mercury. It is small. It has no moons. It would take us 5 months to get there. Mercury can travel around the sun in just 88 Earth days. Venus is the next planet in our solar system. It is about the same size as Earth. It is the hottest planet, covered with lava and surrounded by clouds. It can travel around the sun in 225 Earth days. It has no moons, and it is 4 months away. Earth, that's where we live. 1 moon. A year is 365 days. Our unique atmosphere protects us from the heat of the sun and allows us to survive here. Mars, the 4th planet, often called the red planet because of the iron in the rocks that gives it its red appearance. We have sent several rovers there, and they have discovered water. It takes us 8 months by spaceship to get there. It can travel around the sun in 687 days, which is almost twice as long as Earth. It has 2 moons. Jupiter, the biggest planet, the great planet. It is a gas giant made entirely of gas. It has a giant windstorm on it called the Great Red Spot, which is the size of 3 Earths. Jupiter takes 13 years to travel around the sun. It has 63 moons, and it would take us 13 months, that's over 1 year, to get there by spaceship. It looks striped because the clouds spin so quickly around it. Saturn. Saturn is surrounded by thousands of rings made by icy rocks. Saturn has 53 moons. It's made entirely of gas, and it takes 29 years to travel around the sun. It would take us 4 years to get to Saturn from Earth. If we were to put Saturn in a big bowl of water, it would float. Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet. It would take us 8 years to travel there by spaceship. It takes Uranus 84 years to rotate around Earth. It has at least 13 rings and 27 moons, but no scientist knows for sure. Uranus rotates on its side, unlike Earth, which rotates on its top and bottom. It does this probably because once upon a time, some very large object knocked into it and knocked it over onto its side, kind of like a bowling pin. Neptune. Neptune is another gas giant. The winds on Neptune go 1,000 miles per hour. It would take us 12 years to get there, and it takes 165 years for it to travel around Earth. It has about 13 moons, but we're not really sure. One of those moons, Triton, has volcanoes that freeze while they're erupting, so all of the lava falls back down onto the moon like snow and ice. The end.